In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable open external links with x.com or Twitter in your browser, step by step, so you can stop those links from opening pop-ups or redirecting you to other pages. This is a really useful fix if you want more control over how links behave while you're browsing X, and it only takes a few seconds to change. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to x.com or Twitter. Once the page is loaded, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. On the left side of the address bar, you'll see a small icon, usually a lock, tune, or site information icon depending on the browser you use. Click that icon to open the site information menu. From there, select Site Settings. This will open the permission settings for that website where you can control things like notifications, pop-ups, redirects, and more. Now scroll until you find the pop-ups and redirects field. This is the setting that controls whether the site is allowed to open new windows or send you to external pages. Click the drop-down and choose Block. By setting pop-ups and redirects to block, you're telling your browser to prevent x.com or Twitter from opening unwanted external links in a disruptive way. Once you've changed that setting, you can simply close the tab or go back to the site. And the new preference should be saved automatically. If you ever want to reverse it later, you can come back to the same site settings and switch it back to allow. So that's it, you've now disabled open external links for x.com or Twitter in your browser using the built-in site settings. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy browser fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.